Hey everyone, it's Renu Jane Chandarana with a recipe for how to make Chevda at home. The great thing about this recipe is that you can make small batches or big batches, and you can use whatever ingredients you have in your pantry. If you have different cereals or different nuts, it's all good. I think cornflakes have like an innate sweetness to them. I think whatever brand you buy typically has some kind of cane sugar or something in it. Corn also just has a natural sweetness to it. Like this one, for example, it's like curved, and so it can hold the masala and everything in it. Like it sticks nicely on a flat grain, which is kind of nice.